Hi everyone, I'm JD Hoovener, and welcome to the Bold Today Show, where you, the inventor, entrepreneur, or business owner, get your daily dose of inspiration so you can make the world a better place. Part 3 of our 5-part series on fireworks, and taking a deeper dive into the evolution of that innovation and how we've come to the present day fireworks show that we know. And many of you are maybe just coming off of that holiday, the day after. I appreciate you showing up here and listening to the Bold Today Show today. I'm inspired by your motivation to learn. Today we're going to take a look at what is the modern firework. What goes into that design, the actual embodiment of the mortar and the shell. And so these are the fireworks, these are the big ones, right? Not just the pull of the string poppers, but the ones that make big explosions up in the sky. How do they work? What are they made of? So I found a really cool graphic on verve.com, and so we're using that graphic right now, and we're giving them proper attribution at the bottom. This image shows a nice illustration of what goes into a mortar. Right? A mortar is the word for a firework, right? A capsule, as it were, in sort of a spherical shape, where you can see that it's attached to a cylindrical portion at the bottom. And so there's two main components to this standard mortar. One's called a propellant, right? The part of the firework that shoots it straight up in the air. That's what's located on the bottom in the cylindrical section. That gets it vertically way up there, okay? But the actual boom, the part that makes that boom, that loud sound, is the propellant. It's not the firework itself. That's, for the most part, silent. Now there can be added pyrotechnics that will actually create a little bit of sound with the explosion, but the bigger bass sound of the explosion happens at the propellant stage in just getting that rocket up in the air. So you can see with this diagram that there's actually little tiny small stars, as they call them, or mini embers, or not embers, but once they're actually part of the firework. And when they explode, they are coated, likely in different elements. As we discussed yesterday, I think it is, how different colors are able to be generated by different elements. By putting the proper metallic structure and the powder coatings with those different elements. We talked about barium and copper for blue, and sodium for yellow. This is what the pyrotechnics, the folks that make fireworks, organize these little tiny balls within the mortar and position them just right so that when they explode, they appear in this fashion. So either spread all out, or maybe they filter down and have all the different effects that we may have seen even last night. So I hope you enjoyed taking a look at fireworks in detail with me today. It's fun for me to kind of take a step back from the law here and there, to just look at some fun things right all around us that we're experiencing right now in life. So if you enjoyed this week so far and you want to forward this to someone you know, all you got to do is send the email to them and they can sign up for the Bold Today Show themselves. So my pleasure talking with you here today on the Bold Today Show. I'm JD Hoovener. Hope you have a wonderful day. Go big, go bold.